Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can resize text boxes in pages and site projects on Framer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the site website editor on Framer. Access your site project from your workspace, and next navigate to the given page. I will go with the home page here. And after that, let me insert a text, for example, by clicking into the text tool at the top. Draw a box like this and then enter the example text, for instance, right? So what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, left click into the text box and you will see these corners or handles here. So you may use these, for instance, to intuitively resize or manually resize the text box. But that's not the only option you have, guys, because you can also double click into the text to highlight it. And here from the right hand side, for example, navigate to the size section and then enter, for example, a custom value under width and under height, or use these plus and sorry, not plus, but up and down arrows to change the position and size of the text box, as you can see. And that's it. Now what you want to do also, guys, is scroll down, and here under text you may also resize the text or the font by using this option here. However, guys, as you can see, it may resize the font itself, but the text box will keep its previous, or will keep the size you selected here, or manually by using these text box handles here. So you will probably need to adjust both of it, the text box size and the font size, according to your preferences and site projects. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we catch you later.